Welcome back. One of India's greatest painters, Syed Haider Raza, may have made Paris his home for decades, but had said he always belonged to his native Mandla in Madhya Pradesh. On the occasion of his first death anniversary, as the world remembered this great painter, the people of Mandla, where he is now buried, paid a special tribute which was organized by the Raza Foundation, an institute he set up to help younger painters in need.
Through his life, Syed Haider Raza needed to return to this, the Sal forests, the river Rehwa or Narmada, the land he belonged to, Mandla, 100 kilometers from Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Raza would call his trips from Paris to Mandla necessary, inspirational. The teacher in the village school where Raza once studied as a young boy recalls an anecdote.
बरसात का मौसम था और हमारे यहाँ बहुत ही दुर्गम स्थान था ये गांव। आवागमन के साधन थे नहीं, पुल नहीं था। नदी पार करते हुए 9 किलोमीटर पैदल यात्रा करके कैमरा साथ में है, पूरा सामान रखे, 2 उनके साथ और साथी थे और हमारे विद्यालय में पहुँचते हैं वो। विद्यालय में आने के बाद प्रवेश द्वार पर ही साष्टांग प्रणाम करते हुए 1 मिनट वहीं धरती में लेटे। उसके बाद जब बैठे हैं वो, वहाँ की मिट्टी को उठा करके अपने माथे पे लगाया, अपने शरीर पे लगाया उनने।
As a student in Master G's class, Raza often found it difficult to focus on his studies. In order to calm his restless spirit, his teacher drew a circle on the blackboard and asked Raza to meditate upon it. This simple act would go on to define the core of his artistic mission. Raza's first death anniversary last week, the people of Mandla paid tribute to an international star they call their own, and who is there next to his father, a forest officer from whom Raza drew his love for nature and the river. Often among those who remember the great painter, men like Dharam and Yogendra, who are supported by the Raza Foundation. Having faced years of hardship himself, the now iconic painter established the Raza Foundation for the promotion of young struggling artists of all fields. For this purpose, the foundation organized a festival to celebrate his life and work.
ये मैं लाइफ की स्ट्रगल के बारे में बना रहा हूँ कि जिस तरह से स्ट्रगल आते हैं ना तो पैर बंधे हुए लगते हैं, तो उसी बंधे हुए फॉर्म को दिखाया हूँ इस वर्क के माध्यम से।
रजा साहब से मैं काफ़ी 30 साल से उनसे जुड़ा हूँ और रजा साहब के जो युवा कलाकारों को लेके जो उनकी सोच थी वो बहुत करते थे। कोई भी कलाकार कहीं उनके पास जाता था, युवा कलाकारों को वो हमेशा सपोर्ट करते थे, उनका काम देखते थे, उनका समय, अपना समय देते थे। तो हम लोग का यही उद्देश्य था कि सब मिल के जो कॉलेज के बच्चे हैं जो अब नए फील्ड में प्रवेश करेंगे, फाइनल ईयर के बच्चे हैं, तो उनको तो उतना अनुभव नहीं है, तो यानी वो और कॉलेज के बच्चों से मिलेंगे, यही हम लोग का कॉन्सेप्ट था।
Raza's legacy as it lives in the work, lives and hearts of the people of his homeland.
About him, I can say without any fear or constraint that he was born to paint and he lived to paint, and towards the end of his life, living and painting completely merged. There was no difference between his living and his painting.
With camera person AJ Joseph and Rohan Parekh in Mandla, in New Delhi with Radhika Boria, Martina Roy for NDTV.